Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be talking about managing multiple sites in Lansweeper Cloud. Lansweeper is used all across the globe in multiple variations. Oftentimes our enterprise customers have multiple local Lansweeper installations located based on department or geographical location. So they'll have an installation somewhere in Europe, somewhere in America, somewhere in Asia, all kind of working on their own. With Lansweeper Cloud, they'll be able to link all of those installations again to one single view, allowing them to view data from across their entire organization again, and also, importantly, be able to control who can access what. Now, another use case is for partners such as managed service partners who have multiple clients. With Lansweeper Cloud, it's also possible to have multiple sites. This means that you can connect one installation to a single site and have multiple of those sites. So you could have one Lansweeper Cloud site for each of your customers where you can do whatever you need to do to manage their IT, while they're also able to simply log in and take a look at their data for themselves. So let's go into Lansweeper Cloud and take a look how it all works. So here we are in Lansweeper Cloud on our dashboard. To take a look at which sites we're a part of, I'm actually going to head over to the top left where I can see all of the sites that I am a member of. So in Lansweeper Cloud, you can be a member of as many sites as you want. As long as you've been added to a site or you have created a site, you're a member of it and you can navigate to it. So I can easily jump between any of these sites that I'm a member of. And obviously, depending on which permissions I have, I can either see or do things or not do things. I think that speaks for itself. Now, aside from just being a member of multiple sites, you can also add multiple installations into one site. And that's exactly what we have here. We have just over 1,000 assets. So just to show you that we do actually have multiple installations in here, I'm going to go to the scanning tab where you'll actually be able to see all of the scan servers that are linked to this cloud site as well. So here we can clearly see that we have my test machine and we have my home lab both connected to this installation, and you can even see how many assets they have in the part of this installation as well. To actually show you this even more clearly, we're going to head over to our inventory where we get a list of all of our assets. And on the left hand side, we even have default filters here that you can kind of use to more easily find the devices. So at the moment, it's showing all devices of all installations. And actually, if we click here on installations, we get an overview of all of the installations linked to this specific cloud site. And whichever assets you want to see. If I just want to see assets from my home lab, I can just select those and take a look at all the assets that come from my home lab specifically. So let's really quickly take a look at our asset that we have here, just to show you the new interface as well. We start on the asset summary page where you get all the details you're used to, giving a quick summary of your asset and all the details. If you want to dive into all of the details, then you can go to the config where we have, again, all of the same tabs that you're used to with all of the information listed. And they're practically the same as all of your data on the on-premise. So anything you can find there, you should be able to find here as well. So aside from being able to federate all of the data into one single view with Lansweeper Cloud, we've also added additional features such as multi-factor authentication and single sign-on, two highly requested features. Additionally, if you're looking to use Lansweeper data in other products, we also have a new asset API in Lansweeper Cloud, so you'll be able to integrate with any of the other tools that you're using in your organization, be able to finally use the powerful Lansweeper data in other products and enhancing them as well. So that's it for the managing multiple sites. I want to thank you for watching.